Hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to read data or information from the keyboard. Okay, so we know the basic types of data types in Python. So let's just read information from the keyboard. I'm gonna create a variable called name, and as you may see or as you may know, equal means that we're gonna assign. Okay, so Python has a lot of functions, a lot of default functions that are built in the language. One of those functions is the input function. So we're gonna use this input function, which, as you can see right here, read a string from standard input. The trailing new line is a string. So basically what it's telling us is that this function reads a string from the standard input, which is basically the keyboard. Okay, so I can use just like this and it's gonna work. Okay, for example, if I press enter, it is going to ask me to type something, for example 2018, and I press enter again and it's done. So to access the variable that I just created, I'm gonna type name, and as you can see I have a string named or with the value 2018. So there's not that much happening here, but let's just change a little bit. I'm gonna type a message, enter your name. So this is a way to do this. Okay, I could use a /n to jump to another line or to create a new line, but let's just run this. So I'm gonna press enter, of course, and it shows me enter your name. I'm gonna enter my name, which is Pedro, and if I type name, I'm gonna access this variable. Okay, so pretty simple, pretty easy to understand. Okay, so this is how you read information from the keyboard. So if I just change this a little bit and add the /n, is going to add a new line. For example, is going to show below the enter your name string. And then again, if I type Pedro, I'm gonna have access to this variable. Okay, so this is guys how you do it. There are some conventions that we need to do in order to have full access to this functionality, and I'm going to discuss this later, so you guys can use some functions to access or to convert this into other data types. Okay, remember this function only returns strings. I can only create strings from this function, but I'm gonna use other functions to convert or to exchange a data type to another data type. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next videos.